So let us discuss Beyond Meat, guys. Beyond Meat, we got a sneaky seller just came today around this level. As you can see, the 124. As we discussed before, the $1.55 was the top level of resistance that we tested lately on Tuesday, and this is the new test on Wednesday yesterday. That's why we're pulling back right now. 4% is not a big deal because we did a huge jump in the few days, as you see here, after we escaped from this bearish channel. We did almost 80%. So now we kind of accumulating sideways. So we have to discuss now where the price will go and are we going to have the squeeze or not? Remember, guys, our content always for educational purposes only. So what's going on with Beyond Meat? As you see, guys, every time we have major pump, we met with a huge selling pressure. The last time we have a huge jump was on 20th April. We have a huge jump of 80%, hitting the 155 and pulling back. And guess what? We have two times trying to break the 125, which is the level that we should break right now. We didn't break it. We tested on Tuesday, we tested on Wednesday, and now pulling back down. So what we should expect, we should hold right now over the 96 if we want to have a reaction up or squeeze up for now. Because if we broke the 96, yeah, we have other strong support to hold, which is over the 77. But if we held the 96, is mean we're gonna confirm double bottom and we're gonna have a double top. So it will be a kind of tight situation. Is mean the selling pressure is met with the same volume and strength of buying pressure. So it's neck and neck. And we're going to confirm another squeeze once we break the 125 and then the 155 to go to new high for this year around the $2 and almost the $3 level. In the meantime, even if we broke the 96, we need to hold over the 77 in order to confirm that Beyond Meat is not over yet and the big major whale is still holding their levels or their shares over the breakout that we had. I think, yeah, this week, I think, or last week. Yes, last week. So let me know, guys, what you think about price level of Beyond Meat. Are we gonna have the $3, $2 for this month, or maybe the next month because we got just 1 week left?